Good morning, dear students. Now we will discuss about constants and variables. Types of constants. What do you mean by constant? Constant in the sense fixed values. Does not change the value during the execution of a program is called constant. In that, many types of constants available in the programs. First one is integer constant. Integer in the sense round figures. Okay. It refers to a sequence of digits. There are three types of integer constants, namely, first one is decimal integers, second one is octal integer, third one is hexadecimal integer. First one is a decimal integer. Decimal in the sense 10. Base value is 10. Consists of a set of digits 0 through 9, preceding by an optional plus or minus sign. Okay, na? For example, 132 is a decimal value, minus 342 it is a decimal value because we are right down in the below 9. Okay, na? Next, octal integer. Octal in the sense base value is 8 including 0 to 7. Its example 016, it is a octal value. Next 0876, it's octal value. Sorry, it's a non-octal integer because height as there is there. Next, hexadecimal integer. Hexadecimal in the sense base value is 16, 0 to 9 is the decimal number, remaining 8 to f is the hexadecimal numbers. Consist of a sequence of digits by 0x or 0x. They may also include alphabets A to F, and it represents the number 10 to 15. Example 0 into 2, 0 into 9f. Octal and hexadecimal numbers are used rarely in programming. The largest integer value that can be stored in machine dependent. It is 32767 on 16-bit machines and 2147483 on 32-bit machines. Real constant. Real in the sense a decimal point or points. It refers to a sequence of digits with a fractional part, that is 24.411. It is the real constant. Such numbers are called real or floating point constants. For example, 0.012242, minus 23.564. This is the example of the real constants. A real number may also be expressed in exponential or scientific notations. The value 356.83 can be written as 3.5682 e to the power of 2 in exponential notation. E to the power of 2 multiplied by 10 to the power of 2. E in the sense 10. General form is mantissa e exponent. Here, mantissa is either real expressed in the decimal notation or an integer exponent is an integer number with an optional plus or minus. Letter E, separating mantissa and exponent can be either uppercase or lowercase. Example 0.65 e to the power of 4, 12 e to the power of minus 2, minus 1.5 e to the power of 2. Exponential notation is useful for representing numbers that are either very large or small in magnitude. Example 75000000, that is the 9 zeros, may be written in 7.7 e power 9. Okay, same equivalent to the another one. Okay, next one is single character constant. It contains a single character enclosed within a pair of single quote marks. It contains a single character enclosed within a pair of single quote marks. Example L. Above the single quote marks we will close it in L. Another one is S. Okay, next one is a special character. Same, that is called single character constant. Second one is string constant. It is a sequence of characters enclosed in double quotations. The characters may be letters, numbers, special characters, and blank spaces. These are all string constants. Example, college. College is a group of characters. Okay, enclosed between double quotes. Okay, next one is numbers. Okay, enclosed between. Third one is notations. These are all string constants. Next, variables. Variable in the sense the value which changes during the execution of a program is called variable. The variable name can be chosen by the programmer. Next, rules to declare the variables. How to declare the variables? First point, first character must be a letter. Second one is upper and lower case letters are significant. Third one is words are not allowed. Fourth point is special symbols are not allowed as first characters. The below two lines are showed valid variables and invalid variables. Next, declaration of a variable. After designing suitable variable names, we must declare them to the compiler. Declaration does two things. First point, it tells the compiler what the variable name is. Okay. Second one is it specifies what type of data the variable will hold. A variable can be used to store a value any data type. The syntax of given below: data type v1, v2, v3, v5, etc. v1. This is called variable names. Okay. Example, int sum comma a comma total. These are integer values. Next, float. You have to assign average and salary. Next, character in the sense name. Double in the ratio, it is equal to the float point. We discuss about some questions in particular concept. What do you mean by real numbers? And the option is numbers with a decimal point, numbers without a decimal point, numbers with or without decimal point, all the above. Which one is correct? A1, number with a decimal point, is correct. And the second question is the value which changes during the execution of a program is called as variables, data types, constant, all the above. Which one is correct? A1, that is the variable. Third question, which are the valid integer? First one is sum comma total hyphen average comma f at symbol irst. Second one is sum comma total and hyphen. Third one is hyphen sum comma total average sum average, both a and b. Which one is correct? Valid integer. D1, both a and b is the correct. Thank you, students.